Hi, this is Jonah with Sweet Honey Code, and today we're going to take a look at the Easy Theme Update feature that's available within Shopify. So let's get started. So recently, Shopify rolled out a new feature called Easy Theme Updates. Please note that only available with the online sales channel and for themes that are hosted through the Shopify theme store. That includes both free and paid themes. So what happens is when there is an update released, you will get a little notification, but you will find this notification on the theme section of your online store. So by clicking on that and scrolling on down, I can see I have a notification here for the craft theme. So there's another thing to note here is these theme updates are not applied automatically. You still have to manually apply them. So by clicking on this, I can see that it's going to give me a brief summary of what this update may include. Any code changes will not be included, and some apps may need to be reconfigured for this update. I can even click on the View Release Notes, which will open a new tab, and I can read up on what different things they've applied to this update. Once that looks all good, I'm going to click Add to Theme Library. Now, depending on your internet connection, this can take a few minutes because it's first downloading the latest version of this theme to your store and then applying or transferring those changes you've made to your current theme to this new one. So wait a moment and let it do its job. But since I've applied this update before, I can take a look at one of my updated copy of Craft just to demonstrate what will happen after it's all completed. You will see a little notification that it's been added, and then we can click on Customize. From here, we would want to go through each page to see whatever changes we made previously did transfer over correctly, plus any apps we did have connected here are also reflecting correctly as well. As you can see, it brought over this logo, which is awesome, saving me some extra steps. Once I'm happy with all these changes, I can actually click Publish up here to publish this change right away, or I can go back to the main theme dashboard and apply it by clicking on Action and then Publish. Well, this concludes this quick walkthrough of the Easy Theme Updates for Shopify. I hope this video helps. Be sure to leave a like and subscribe and support this channel for more videos like this. And I'll see you next time. Bye for now.